mission of Domino's is to deliver a better future through food people love. How do we know what our consumers want before they do? It's by looking at those historical trends. It's knowing that when the UK suffers a blast of Arctic air, our consumers will sit at home, order a pizza on the app. Our overall forecast has been good, 97.5% accurate. At a more granular line level, it tends to get more challenging when you've got dozens, if not hundreds, of different spreadsheets.
As part of our cloud-first strategy, we moved to Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations. We're introducing smart systems to make effective digital supply chain. This demand planning app will help the business make right decisions that will lower wastage, avoid unnecessary deliveries, reduce the carbon footprint, and is cyber safe. It is game changer for us because it uses the AI data models and predictive analysis to predict our future.
Demand planning in Dynamics 365 is a good fit for Domino's because it gives us the opportunity to combine multiple sources of data into one system.
It just speeds up our ability to be able to make those fact-based decisions very quickly. One version of the truth, all in one place, to look at the granular detail very easily, cascade up into category level and supply chain center level, and very quickly explode it back down to inventory item level again. It allows us to step back from what were maybe emotionally driven human instinct decisions and just know that the decision we're making is bang on.
The demand planning app would have an impact on our franchisees, making sure they have enough stock. With the way the application has been designed, you can see firsthand how your data or how your plan is going. This app was sort of perfect.
We can future-proof our business with Microsoft. It can help push the boundaries of what we currently do as an industry, provide us with the tools to almost tell us what we need to do, and make the team's life simpler, and therefore improve the service that we give to our franchisees and stores and the service that we give our consumers.